In this video, I will show you how to set up an email signature in Gmail. First, click on the See All settings. Scroll down, click on Create New, give a name, whatever you want, signature one, and create. Now, you need to copy the signature. If you don't have ready signature, you can also check out my gigs links in the description. Control A for all selection, Control C for copy, and Control B for paste. Now select your signature and set. Now click on Compose to check whether the signature is installed properly or not. One more important thing you need to know, make sure the flag plain text mode and is turned off. Otherwise the signature will not work. That's it. Thanks for watching.